Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Wednesday, February the 24th, 2016. The March corn contract finished off 2.5 cents today, selling at 3.59 3/4. We'll begin to update charts on the May, as the first notice day for the March contract is on Monday, and we'll begin to look at the May contract and update you on those supply and those support and resistance numbers. There is approximately a 4 to 5 cent carry from the March to the May currently, but those two charts are correlating pretty closely. The sluggish demand for corn continues to hurt. Even though we did have a new export notification today of 110,000 metric tons sold to Colombia for the current marketing year, we are going to keep an eye on the February 12th lows, as we found support just above them today. We anticipate potentially breaking them tonight or in the morning, and could get some pretty good number of sellers stepping in and running that price down to that 350 target that we've been talking about. March 16 beans were off 2 1/4 cents today, selling at 8.67 1/2. Soybean prices were a little bit mixed today, with a nearby slightly lower and the deferred either unchanged or slightly higher. We felt like the U.S. dollar being pretty well flat today helped keep beans from sustaining any further losses than it did. We're looking at the South American harvest as being pretty well in full swing, and those numbers and projected bushel production will be coming from that part of the world pretty quickly. July 16 wheat was off 4 cents today, selling at 4.59 3/4. We moved pretty close to that 450 target that we've been talking about for a while for wheat, and right below that is 440. So the global supply continues to overwhelm wheat markets. We are continuing to have some of the pundits talk about potential crop damage in the U.S., along with Russia projecting that some of its producers will move or have acreage shifts from wheat over to corn this next year, due to the export tariff that was placed on wheat about a year ago. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Wednesday. Talk with you tomorrow afternoon.